The RMS Titanic was a British passenger liner that sank on its maiden voyage from Southampton, England, to New York City on April 15, 1912. It was one of the largest and most luxurious ships of its time, measuring about 882 feet long and weighing over 46,000 tons. The Titanic struck an iceberg in the North Atlantic Ocean, leading to its tragic sinking. The accident occurred on the night of April 14, 1912, and resulted in the deaths of more than 1,500 passengers and crew members. The ship had various safety features, but the collision with the iceberg caused significant damage, overwhelming these compartments and leading to the rapid sinking of the vessel. The Titanic was designed to be unsinkable, a claim that proved to be tragically false. The disaster highlighted the importance of adequate lifeboat capacity, leading to significant changes in maritime safety regulations. The Titanic had a total of 9 decks, with first-class accommodations located primarily on the upper decks. There were also second and third-class accommodations, as well as crew quarters. The ship had luxurious amenities, including a swimming pool, gymnasium, squash court, Turkish bath, and a grand staircase for the first-class passengers. The Titanic had a passenger capacity of approximately 2,435 people, with accommodations for 905 crew members. However, it was only carrying about 1,317 passengers and 885 crew members on its ill-fated voyage. The wreck of the Titanic was discovered in 1985 by a team led by Dr. Robert Ballard. It rests at a depth of about 12,500 feet in the North Atlantic Ocean, around 370 miles off the coast of Newfoundland. The Titanic's tragic sinking has captured the public's imagination for over a century, including the famous 1997 movie Titanic directed by James Cameron.